Hey guys, finally Samsung launched two smartphones in India, Samsung Galaxy A15 5G and Galaxy A25 5G. Galaxy A15 5G comes with 6.5-inch 90Hz AMOLED display and Galaxy A25 5G comes with 6.5-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen. Galaxy A15 5G comes with Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC and Galaxy A25 5G comes with Exynos 1280 chipset. Both phones come with 8GB of RAM, 128 and 256GB storage, and the good thing is out of the box both phones running Android 14 with One UI 6.0. In the camera department, both phones come with triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, 2MP rear camera, but Galaxy A15 5G comes with 5MP ultra wide and Galaxy A25 5G comes with 8MP ultra wide. Both phones also come with 13MP selfie camera, and both smartphones also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charger supported. Galaxy A15 5G starting price 19,499 rupee and the Galaxy A25 5G starting price 26,999 rupee. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.